Wow, look what I have found. This beautiful secluded beach with a jetty onto the Järlasjön, Järla Lake. This is Lillängen, a neighborhood mostly with villas, rich villas, in Nacka, in Stockholm. And I just can't believe that this is my very first time that I'm here, despite living in Stockholm for almost 10 years. Here in this beautiful piece of nature, not so far away from civilization also, and this beautiful lake that even has a water thermometer. So I have actually took mine anyway, but it says 21 degrees on this thermometer. Let's see if mine is correct. While I give you view of this natural place here in Stockholm. So yeah, 21. So my thermometer is correct. 21 degrees Celsius in the lake and 22 degrees in the air. Now it was a lot more cloudy earlier today, so I decided to go out later today for beach adventure, and it was worth it because the sun is up. And it is 4:30 p.m. and I got a bit of traffic actually. And I actually didn't know today where to go because there are so many places and I have been to many. But now I'm gonna start exploring new spots like this one. And let me give you a tour of this spot. So right now I'm on the jetty where I'm gonna go in for a swim. And here we have a bit of a hiking trail that you can also run. And maybe I will explore some other time along this trail. There might be other beach spots as well. And here there is a very nice spot where you can lay as well on this wooden floor and enjoy the beautiful view that it gives. Here we have Välkommen till Lillängen. It says that sopptunnor finns ovanför trapporna. Ingen eldning eller grillning. Visa hänsyn mot de som bor i närheten. Njut av ditt bad. So it says that there is a trash can up the stairs, no grilling or fire. And to show respect to those people that live in the neighborhood, I see some houses up front, up there. And the last one is njut av ditt bad. Enjoy your swim, which I'm going to. So here is my ghost bike, and I cycled 13 kilometers to get here, but I did a reroute as I needed to stop at Globen and Sickla on the way. Delirious. And now let's go in for a swim. Otherwise it would be around 11 kilometers, I think, to get here. So the water looks so nice. As I mentioned, 21 degrees Celsius in the lake and 22 in the air. So perfect for a swim today at Lillängen. It should be around, I think, 11 kilometers for me to get here if I go directly. So anyway, let's go in and enjoy for a nice swim in Järlasjön. This must be Järlasjön, right? Yeah, because Sicklasjön is connected then to Järlasjön, and this lake is connected to the Baltic Sea itself later. All right, are you ready? Because I am. Sun is shining and it's time for beach adventures with Kris on this beach day number 31. That is 16th of June. Sunny Monday. Let's go! Amazing. The water is so nice. Fresh lake. And let's go in for a swim to see. There's also a few more spots for swimming along this lake. There are also houses on the other side of the lake, and there is even a giant rock inside the lake that is an island. Yes, there is one more stairs over there. I see one person over there, but here it is empty. And I'm really happy that I came here today to enjoy a nice day on the lake with a nice swim. It's brilliant and so warm, 21 degrees in the water, a lot warmer than that it was in the Baltic Sea yesterday at Erstavik. So yeah, cheers and greetings from Lillängen, this little find that I have found today. And yeah, with this wonderful view of the nature and surroundings, it's time to wrap up this beach adventure. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.